Hi there, my name is Henry Tenby, and in this video I'm going to show you a very interesting trick that I learned from a metal foundry a number of years ago. It involves using a rubber mallet and how to straighten a bent wing on an airplane model. And in the past I would use a vise to try to do that, often with very poor results, where the vise claw would leave marks into the metal of the wing being straightened. So this is a very interesting trick, and I hope you'll find it useful yourself. So first of all, I'll start by showing you the model I need to repair. So this is a 1950s Westway Viscount 800 model. You can see the wing here on that wing is pretty straight, but this one here has a bend in it. You can see it's a bit bent up. And in the past, as I say, I would try to use a vise to straighten that. And while it can be done in a vise, you do have to be careful because the claws of the vise can leave marks. So if you use a cloth, a piece of cardboard, it can be done. But I'm going to show you something much easier now on how you can straighten this wing using a rubber mallet. This is a rubber mallet. The two edges here, the white and the yellow, are made of rubber. And as you can see, it's not like a metal, it's a rubber. And gently hitting the model wing, you can actually move the aluminum. And I'll show you this technique, how simple it is. So this is the bent portion of the wing. As you can see, you need to find a soft piece of wood to move it. And it takes a technique to know how to hold the model. I wouldn't try to bend like this. You would bend in the opposite direction. That's it. Took 2 hits. It's completely straight. That bend is now gone. So using this professional metal worker's technique, the rubber mallet can straighten all sorts of bent wing surfaces. Just literally a few taps can straighten wings. And as you can see, that was fixed in under 5 seconds.